Hi guys, I did a rubber band powered car using these paper straws as the chassis, and Lidmotor suggested I should use coasters for the wheels because I'd use CDs like I always do, and he was suggesting using these drinks coasters. Now obviously he meant a round one. I used to have some. I used to have quite a stock of them, but I haven't got any at the moment. So to keep in the green theme and not using plastic, I've got some empty cardboard boxes. Now they're a bit thin, so what I'm going to do is glue, I think 3 or maybe 4 layers together, and then cut out circles for the wheels. So I'll glue them now, and then we're off out for our midday snack, and hopefully this afternoon sometime I'll be able to cut it into circles for wheels and see if they work. Well, it's obviously later in the day. It's actually about 7:30 at night. So I glued the bits of card together this morning. I just hope that the glue has dried, or whether I should have left it overnight. I will go for it, I can't wait any longer. So that's our 4 layers of cardboard. So now we want to draw 4 wheels. Right, available space 26. A CD, how big's a CD? CD is 12, so I should be able to, I should be able to get 12 CD sized wheels out of there. So if we come in 26, so that's 12 and 24. Yeah, that's all right. If I come in 7, and then 12. Right, there's our 4 CD sized wheels. So we need some bamboo canes and a pointy instrument to make the holes bigger. This is my tool, a bradawl it's called, bradawl. Need something to push the hole into. We can use this scrap Right, that should do the job. So a couple of rubber bands, if I can find what I've done with them. Right, 2 should be enough, I think. Over the back axle, wrap it round so it goes over itself, wind it up, and that should do the job. Seem to have developed a left turn. Let's try it the other way up. We should get a right turn. That'll do. Summary time. Basically the same car as before, with the paper straws for the chassis, barbecue skewers for the axles, but this time we made the wheels out of cardboard. And because I didn't have the cardboard I particularly wanted to try, I glued together 4 layers of thin cardboard to give us the thickness I wanted. And it works fine. The only thing I would suggest is you might want to put spacers in to stop the wheels rubbing against the side of the bodywork, because that slows the car down. And you might want to glue them on. Super glue works really well with cardboard. That'll stop them slopping around.